Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for November 18, 2020. If you look at the chart here, that's an SPY daily chart. So yesterday the market, they pulled back down but they hold at the previous September high. Today they dropped back down in the last minute. So technically, the market it hit some resistance here, but in the long term we are still bullish. In the short term, you see the market is still continue to go sideways here. So in order for the market to go higher, they need to break this downtrend line here to continue to the upside. At this moment, we are still in the short-term correction here. So we do have some support at this level here. Let's see the market be able to hold up and then turn around. Otherwise, we do see continue the sideways rip it down, okay, before they can turn around and break out. Okay, so if you look at the E-mini SP 500 chart, so you can see that the market it go up, they hit some resistance. To the last couple of days, they tested out, they fell. So they have been doing that for the last couple of days here, and so right now this afternoon, the last minute, market puts it back down. So right now they pull back to the support level here. So if overnight the market be able to turn around and put it back up, then we still have a chance to put it higher. So right now, at this moment, the market is still have a struggle to break this level here. Okay, so make sure that we will stay in the sideways correction here until the market be able to turn around and resume the uptrend. So if you are a day trader in our live trading room today, so when the market, we know that the market is going down. So but when the market open, it's already down here. So this is the last leg, they move here and then they slam it down. So some of them they short, but okay, we're looking for the opportunity to find a support and we turn around and push it back for the 10 point again. So we're done for the day, and after that, at the last minute, the market will just drop like rock to the bottom again. So let's see, overnight the market be able to find support and then turn around. Okay, all right. So that for today, and look, let's take a look at a lot of stuff that we analyze over the weekend. Let's see how they are doing here. So first of all, we look at the SPR, which is the arrow system. So they hit here, they hit the home run, so they hit to the resistance. So people take some profit today. And SPCE, that's another one that they also hit the resistance. So people just took some profit, and let's see if they're able to pull back and then find a way to put it up again and go in. Also it hit to the resistance level, people also take some profit there. And the oil sector is still doing very well. Let's see that, you know, CNQ, that is the one we analyzed over the weekend, it's still very strong. Okay, they still try to put it up again. BKR, that's another one that they hit to the target, okay, today. And PSF, that and Philip 66, they also hit the target today. And let me see here, a lot of sector like you know, EXPE, okay, those stocks they have a little bit trouble today because more people, more case for the coronavirus, and also more people die every day, so those stocks really get affected. So let me see here, BKNG, they go up, they couldn't go higher, so they stop right there. So the hotel, okay, travel, they have a little bit pressure. So let's see, are they able to come up? If the vaccine come out fast enough, and those stocks will go sideways and continue to the uptrend. So sooner or later, to depend how fast we're going to have a vaccine here, that will set the tone for the stock that continue to move to the upside. Okay, and the bio sector still have some interesting, you know, the Pfizer. So the last couple of days we said that they found support, they put it back up, Now they hit the resistance and people took some profit again. mRNA, this one here, another stuff that have a 95% effective on the vaccine. They go up and people took profit again, so now they pull back to the support. Let's see that they're able to hold up at this level and reverse again. Okay, so today I took some profit. Okay, I do some swing trade. Beside that, we do day trade like you see every day. Okay, we analyze before the market opens, so our member of expert trader group, they'll be able to see where the market heading to, so they can take a quick trade for the daily income. Besides daily income, we also analyze a lot of stock for the swing trade, which is a bigger profit potential. So today I look at a couple of stocks here that, okay, like the one that we have been followed, that is GM. So GM, when the market it come back here, they pull back to the support. I enter here, so they hit to the sell zone today. So we hold up for 3 weeks, and so if you are a member of Stock Navigator, you will know where the sell zone, where the buy zone, where the buy line, so that you can enter, so that you can make some profit like this one here. Okay, within 3 weeks, and you can make $10,292, and you get out and wait for them to pull back and do it again. And that one stock. And today the Tesla also jump in early in the morning. Our member, they yell out that Tesla going to move again. So we look at them and we jump in, and then we took a quick trade. Okay. And the market is already there. So yesterday, after the Tesla be able to join the S&P 500, so they shoot it back up, they pull back down, we get in, and then within 2 days they hit to the top, and then we sell it at the target price. So those things here, if you learn our method and you understand how to read the chart, so you know where is your entry level, you know where the buy zone, you know where the target, or the PD5, we set it up and then let it run. When they hit it, and then you get out. So this one here, 7,000 in 2 days. So total net profit for today is $7,516. So this is the beautiful of the swing trade. So the swing trade is for those people that are busy at work, and you don't have time to sit there and look at the computer screen all day long. Okay, and you're busy, and then you can buy stock and leave it there, and then set the profit target, and done. They will sell for you. Okay, so this is what we are doing every day in our expert live trading room for our members. So if you would like to learn how to do a day trade as well as a swing trade, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com. In there we have a free video for you to watch so that you can see how we trade. And if you are not a member of Stock Navigator, please join the YouTube. So every day, every week, I update information. I post my trades so that hopefully you can learn something and make some profit for yourself. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and we will see you on the next video.